Guys are currently removing all the leaf spring hangers. What happened was this customer in the past was having some suspension issues. Different things were wearing out as time went. And so he came in and he had a correct track system put on it by Lippert originally. And so as those products have aged out and certain items are no longer available for replacement, and then he's came back in at different points and upgraded springs and done different things to it. We had a leaf spring that actually ripped loose from the frame with the hanger is. And so this was a different style of correct track spring. The spring hanger has some weird brackets on the side of it, which had the gold medallions on it. And so the guys are basically in the process of getting ready to remove all those brackets. They're leaving the center hanger. We found when we were doing the measurements per both Lippert and per the manufacturer, we found that one of the spring hangers was a 1/2 inch off. So it was like we had them all like from the center over. From the hangers, we had like 29.5 inches, 29.5 inches, 29.5 inches, and then one of them was at 29. So it was causing extra force this whole time since this thing was new. And it was always causing like issues with the tires and issues with different suspension components wearing out quicker. So we're cutting those all off, and we're going to be welding on new leaf spring hangers. And then we're also going to be adding the V pieces in to reinforce them. And then the customers elected to go ahead and have us do a Roadmaster kit. So we're going to be doing a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit on this thing. And then while we were in here, we also found some frame cracks. So same thing, it's too old for us to get it covered through the Lippert, but we're going to go ahead, the customers elected to go ahead and have us do the frame crack repair. So stay tuned for more, and as we get this project going along a little further, I'll get back and take some more pictures and more videos, and we'll probably put it in a post or an article or something like that so you guys can see it. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.